Hello everybody, my name is Renato Francia, and today I'm going to make a quick talk about programming and the importance of it. So the first thing that you need to learn is, why would you like to code? There's going to be so many reasons why. For example, you need it for a job, you're interested in building something, or perhaps it's just out of curiosity because of all the high paying jobs that are out there. So that's something that is very valid. But the main reason for that you should learn how to code is because it's a great way to learn how to solve problems. And that's exactly the only reason I think it's the valid one. Because there's going to be many type of situations where you will need to learn a process to break down systems or break down the problem and finally be able to get a nice clean solution. So programming has the ability to give you that. And the first thing that you need to learn is, what kind of problem would you like to tackle? For example, would you like to have a website? Would you like to have a web app? Would you like to develop a game? Or perhaps there's a task that you do every single day that's just so tedious to do it. So programming will give you the advantage of, first of all, break down that problem. If you have, for example, something that you have to send an email to your coworkers every Monday, why not learn a little bit of programming to automate that task? And also, why not understand what the problem is? Because once you start programming a solution for that option, then you'll find out that the task perhaps is not the basically sending the email that's the problem, but mostly just the problem itself could be related to something that you have not seen unless you have learned how to break that problem. So that's one option that you can learn how to code. I hope this has been enlightening a little bit. There's something that there's plethora of things you can say about programming, but that's one of the main reasons I think you should learn how to code. Even if you never develop an app or if you never develop a game or whatever, you still have the value skill that is going to help you along your career and perhaps with your life tasks as well. So this has been basically a quick talk on programming, and I wish you a great day.